Hi guys, Phil Morgan here, and I want to talk to you today about a new product out called Cpaboss. I don't do loads of these reviews because there's an awful lot of products being launched at the moment because of the virus stuff, and there's a growing market for people looking for ways of making online. But there's an awful lot of bad products being launched with loads of hype. This isn't like that. This is a product that I think will work. I only review products and promote them if I think they're good for. Well, if they're good for me, I think they're good for everybody else, to be honest. But this is a great new product coming out, showing you how you can make money. There's no overhype with it. They're not promising you 10 grand in a few days or something stupid like that. They're saying it'll make you a few hundred quid here or there, or dollars, wherever you are, euros, that doesn't matter. But they'll make you a few hundred once you get used to it. There's some great bonuses that we're giving away with this product as well to entice you, really, a bit of a bribe. But the bonuses are great. The product is a course combined with software to show you how to do it. There's some brilliant upgrades with it as well. And I'm going to go through it very, very briefly because without being rude, everybody there can read. So there's no point in me just going through and reading things to you. I'll pick out the highlights I think that are relevant, show you the bonuses. And what I will show you is the upgrades that you can get. A lot of people don't tell you about the upgrades. They do not tell you that you can get them at a reduced price, which I think is a bit fraudulent. But I will show you the price that you can get them for today. And if you do buy the product, you can still buy these upgrades afterwards, but you will not get the discounts on them. So I'll go through that with you as well. So let's just move this screen out the way a little bit, and we'll tuck it up in the corner. This is the page that I've done to go through some of the stuff with you, and I'll show you the guy's page as well, which is um, got some other stuff on it. I copied some of it across. There's just too much really to go through. They're not making big hype. They're saying they can put in on an average $300 a day. It's not $300 every day. They'll show you 400 days. They'll show you 100 days. Not a lot of work to go with it because it's semi-automated. They reckon about 90% automated. Usually when I see that, I always think it's about 70% automated personally, but it always takes me longer than it does them. There's an offer with it as well. I mean, the bonus, I'll tell you at the beginning, this product is $17, I think it is. Yeah, $17. And they're giving you $4 off. This is the base product, and it's got what you need. There are the upgrades, and the upgrades are superb. But if you know what you're doing a little bit and you want to just get on it and be prepared to learn a little bit, I mean, it's $13. And you get a guarantee that if you don't like it, you get your money back as well. So there's not really a lot of risk with this, is there? So let's go through it. It's on CPA. CPA means that you give some information, someone gives you some information, you pass that on to someone else, they pay you for it. It's as simple as that. There's no products you have to do, there's no website you have to build, there's no email list you need to use. It's that simple, and they show you how to get the traffic. This is the important thing. You can have the best product in the world. If people don't look at it, they don't buy it. You can own the best bricks and mortar shop in the world, but if people aren't walking past your front door or coming in that front door, it's worthless. So they're giving you the product to go with it, showing you what to do, and showing you how to get people to look at that, and people that are interested in doing it. That's another important thing about traffic. It's easy to get people to look at your website, but are they actually interested in it? That's a different matter. This is showing you how to get what we call targeted traffic to it. So what's it all about? It's an easy way of doing it. People are often working hard, and I have been there where I have spent money upon money upon money on objects that have not worked for me because of the super hype. And I don't know, I should have learned earlier, to be perfectly honest. Just learning how to do something that's important, not buying something that presses four buttons and doesn't do what is promised. You need to learn the process. This does it in both ways for you. It's also a superb done for you process with this in one of the upgrades. So you don't need a website, don't need to create a product, don't need techie knowledge, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. They're saying fiver a day will generate you traffic. And if you're spending a fiver and making six, you're still making a profit. If you're spending a fiver and then making 20, you're making a bigger profit. So that's the way it works. You can do free stuff. Takes a lot longer to get traffic without paying a little bit for it. And this is cheap traffic, but it's good traffic. These are the buttons you can press down here. This will take you through to the page where you say yes, you pay your money. And there's a coupon I put on here. Again, a lot of people won't show you that because it affects their income. But if you press that, you get $4 off the price. This is the earnings they're showing you on some different products they've been doing. 96, 43. This is a day, by the way, and that's the day that they made that figure they talk about. That's the 325. There's your money off. Things have does not involve creation, any selling. It's all based on stuff you can copy. You haven't got to do any SEO with it, which is making sure Google like it basically, and it's all legal and everything else. There's no backdoor stuff to this. Easily implement. Anyone can do it if you put your mind to it. It's a combination of traffic software and CPA training. It's I'd like to put this in for you. Module 1, you sign up for CPA networks. These are the companies. These are the places that other companies go to promote to you. So if you want to, if a company wants affiliates to send people about car insurance, they'll go to a big CPA network and say, we want to do this. That network will then pass it out. So the networks will hold all the information. They'll have the companies that want to sell for them. High converting CPA offers. Some places will give you $5 for a person's name and address. Somebody else will give you €200 if it's for a different sort of product. So there's different amounts of CPA, and it's not always the high converting ones that are the best deal. It might look great to say, oh, you can get €200 or dollars if you promote this. If no one takes it up, you're far better off finding some offers that are making you fives and tens, and they'll turn around quicker and then build up from there. It's all a learning process. Start at the bottom, work your way up, which is it's the easy way of doing it. It's very, very simple to do. You sign up for your CPA offers, use the software to scale up the results, and then do it again. But this is all explained in the training. These are the upgrades that you can get with it. And I put down 2 prices on them all. So on the first upgrade, we're going to give you the Cpaboss unlimited traffic. It's $37, but if you say no first time, they drop it to 27. They do not do this once you've bought the product. So just be aware that they're offering it as an upfront discount. But unlimited traffic is huge, a huge bonus to get more traffic through to the site. The more traffic you have through, the more money you're going to make. It's really as simple as that. This, for say 47 or 27, if you've got it on the day, is brilliant. This gets you going whilst you learn what you're doing, because they're going to give you done for you. That's what the DFI means, done for you evergreen affiliate campaigns. Evergreen means that they're ongoing campaigns that have been around for years, but they'll always be there. There's always some products that sell forever. You've got automated campaigns, to CPA campaigns, social media promotions, email campaigns where you can get people email addresses and send them, engagement posts for Facebook, squeeze pages to collect email addresses from. That's always handy. Stock music that you can use, and images for $27. I think that's a bargain, to be perfectly honest. Not my $27. Okay, so it's up to you whether you think it's good for you. Stage 3, affiliate case studies. Case studies are always good because they show you exactly what's happened in real life situations with them. And each one's made them thousands of dollars. It's probably not going to make you thousands of dollars at the beginning. These guys know what they're doing. They've got experience behind them. And it's much easier then to whip through building a website or whatever they're doing. But you will make extra money with these. And again, this is just $17, $27 if you buy it later on. But the case studies are well worth it. This is, I think, ridiculous price, and I've queried it, but it's right. Reseller's license. This allows you to sell this product as your own, basically. So if you took this out, you can promote this product, and you can sell it as your own product, and you will get 100% of everything that anybody purchases. I would like to point out that we don't get this on the review, by the way. But they will give you $67 if you get it up front. I think this is an absolute bargain, because you are going to make that $67 quite quickly. And then everything else that you're selling, every one of these upgrades, if they buy this and then they buy it later on off the people, you get that $37. Here you get the 47 or the 27. So and these lower prices will probably be going in about a week's time anyway. I think that's a bargain there. Again, not my $67. extra training to go with it. There's always extra training you can do on almost everything. And it really, really will show you how to leverage things, how to scale up. Other ways of doing it, AdWords modules, product creation. This, you haven't got to create a product to do this. If you do create a product, you make more money. It's as simple as that, because you keep what you're doing. If you're selling somebody else's product, I'm promoting this, and they pay me for doing this. I'll be honest, I'm not here for charity. I'll only do things that are worth it. I get paid for doing this. If I'd have created this, I'd have got paid a lot more. But I'm not that clever. But they go through how to do product creation simply and easily. And upgrade 6 is, I mean, $17, 27 to 16 is 3 additional traffic softwares to go with it. So you get the traffic software with this, and they'll give you the extra bits as well. And it doesn't finish there. You're going to get all these bonuses that we put together for you, because I think the bonuses are tremendous. So fast action bonuses. I'm not going to read this all out to you, because you can read it, and there's a lot of them here. So this one is extra training on the software. This one is creating CPA goals. It doesn't sound a lot. Read through it. It's well worth it, and you're going to get it for nothing with there. Email marketing. Email marketing is alive and well. I've heard so many rumors and seen articles that email marketing is dead. It's not. And that's how most of the big guys make their money, by the way, off their email lists. And it tells you all about doing this. This one is unlimited leads. You need leads. And if you get an unlimited leads, I mean, it's a bit of hype. Everything's limited in the end, I suppose. But the more leads you get through, the more targeted leads you get through, the more money you're going to make again. Traffic machine. Traffic is everything. And it's more about how to do the traffic. It's about SEO optimized systems. You don't need them for the base product. You don't need them. But if you know how to do it, it's another element to make money with. And again, it's free with the product when you get it. Lead generation on demand, another product all about lead generation, because you can't learn enough about lead generation. I know what I'm doing. I still read, and I still take things out, and I still do courses, because I still need to learn more. Everybody can learn from somebody else, and there's always a new angle that can come out. But again, another great product to go with it. CPA Marketing Excellence Pack. I mean, I won't read all through this. You can read it. Creation a landing page. Landing pages are what you go to when you've looked at something and you put your email address on. That's a landing page, basically. But there's a huge difference in a good landing page and a bad one. So to learn a good one is worth its weight in gold, to be honest, because you can put a landing page out there that you can market, and people go and look at one landing page and they won't buy it. But the same product, it's not the product that the person is looking at. Then they're looking at the page they see there, and then will they give their email address? The difference between yes and no is a huge amount of income at the end of it. So it's a great little product, this one. And more on there on Facebook. Facebook will be around forever. Whatever everybody see in the paper, you always say, "Oh, Facebook's on the way out." It's not. It's growing every day, and it again teaches you more about Facebook. And these are huge bonuses that we're giving away with this. So you buy the product, you get these for nothing. There's a quick recap on the program, on the stuff there as well. And again, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, Phil at Phil's Marketing site, send me an email. If it's about this, great. If it's not about anything else you want to know, let me know. I'm working on a few products at the moment, and to be honest, I've got the ideas of the products that people emailing me. So that's the page I want to show you. Basically, we're going to have a quick look at what the guys' page is doing. Here we go. They got the usual bits in there. I'm a bit of a skeptic on that. So this is I got some of the information from this. You've got a video there. They're showing you. If you don't believe us, take a look. This is proof. The guys. These are big names in the business. They don't bother fibbing or lying, if you want to put it another way. It's just not worth it for them. So they will only be honest in what they're getting. So doesn't involve, I've been through that with you, doesn't involve that. This gives you a breakdown of what you can get with it. And you can start with a €5 or €20. The dollars, the more you start with, the quicker you get your money in, basically. But once an email program is once a software program's running and you're sending traffic to it, you don't have to sit and watch it. It will do it for you. They've got some comments here from people up in the same industry. I'd be a bit skeptical with this, I'll be totally honest, because you'll see the same names crop up on almost every product. So there's a bit of how can I put it, inter friendship going on. But I've looked through the product, and I think it's really well worth it for your $13. They've shown another page there getting $300. These guys have been around for a while, and they really, really are clever with what they do on the computers. They're really artistic the way they think of things to do as well. I wish I could do that, but it's beyond me to have that skill. CPA, and this is about the traffic source they're going to use. They don't tell you what it is, obviously, otherwise everybody'd grab it without paying them. So they do some maths. They've got some simple stuff there. If you pay £10 in traffic to run the offer and 15 sign up, 15 times 5 is 75. Yeah, so I was checking my maths for a minute. You can get $75 in, and then the more you get in, the more it comes back. But again, you can read that. Traffic's the problem. Traffic's the problem with everything. It's talking about how to get the traffic. This is the name of the product, and they're just breaking it down on here. There's a lot of unnecessary lines in all these pages, to be honest. The question is, in the end, is the product worth it? $13. I think it is. So at the bottom of the screen on this that you can see, I'm going to give you two links. I'm going to give you a link to my page that I've already shown you. That's this page here. I'm going to give you a link to this if you want to check things in a bit more detail and go through it. If you're happy that you've seen enough detail and the product's of interest to you, I'm going to give you a link to a shorter page because that'll cut to the quick a little bit quicker, shall we say? But you won't see it, but you won't get the breakdowns I've given you on the upgrades. So there's the same video in there, a quick bit of introduction there of what it does, introducing the product. Same bit there of 1, 2, 3 steps, introducing it, showing the money. These are the bonuses that we put in there for you, and they're going to put them in. There's the bonuses again. And then that's it really in this page. That'll then take you through when you press the button, so you can go ahead and buy the product with it, which will take you in there. So you're going to have your two choices. Go back and check over my page if you wish, or cut the quick, go to the shorter page and get the product. I reckon you can start making some money in 2 or 3 days off of this, to be honest. It's a good product. They're from a good team of people. You're getting your guarantee. I'll put it on my page as well. You've got 30 days guarantee. If you've not made any money, you don't like it, anything, you just contact them and they will refund you. I've had issues with some people that don't do that. I now no longer review for those, obviously. But most of the guys in this industry are brilliant at doing this refund, because they'll know that if they don't, you will never look at their products again. And not every product's right for everybody. It's really not. There's things that are out there making money and they're just not for me, so I don't do them. So go ahead. I would say go ahead, check the long page out again, go through the bits, see the value that you're going to get for this $17 less the $4 that you're going to get for the bonus. Have a look through the bonuses that I've been through here that we're giving you to get with it. These bonuses are brilliant. I mean, these are worth $13. Come on. So I would have a look at it. It's up to you what you do now. I hope you're well. I hope you're looking after yourself in this strange situation that everybody's in. The other good thing about this at the moment, and it's a cynical view, well, actually it's not a cynical view, it's just a factual view. There are more people at home, there are more people looking to make money online. This is a product, if you're in that group, that can really help you. Jobs are going right, left and centre, and I live in Spain. There's thousands upon thousands of jobs that have gone. It's very much a tourist industry near where I live. Bars, hotels, they're just not open. And the people have lost their jobs. So people are looking for things to do, and this is something that can help you if you're in that situation. This is something that you can sell on to other people if you take out that upgrade on there that I was on about for $67, and you can help other people with this as well. So you take care with yourselves, okay? Have a look at this, take it out and see what you think. Any comments, give me an email, drop me an email rather. And I do get back to you. It may not be in a day or two, but I do get back to you and I do all the answers personally. So thanks for listening. My name's Phil, and let me know what you think of the product. Thanks for listening. Take care.